Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showcasing a less expensive Apple Watch metallic band. This is a stainless steel band from a company called RI Tech. And this is for Apple Watches 42, 44, and 45 millimeter. Now, of course, the famous 45 millimeter Apple Watch is the Series 8, and I have the Ultra right here. So this is the new band, and I've put a cover over my Apple Watch. So now we'll get into it. This is a stainless steel band, and here is the magnetic piece right here, and it will stick to any of that. It's very strong. I've been wearing it for the last couple of days, and as you can tell, it's hard for me to even pull it off of here. It's very strong, and it simply just attaches the way that all of the Apple Watch pieces attach. You just press down on that button, slide it out, and I swapped it out for this original Apple Watch band, which is this one right here. This is the original one, and as you can tell, I got this at Ross for $4. They say compare at $10. I'm not really sure how much the original price is. You know, they can make up numbers or whatever, but it was pretty inexpensive, and I thought for a stainless steel band and an extremely strong magnet, I did not know how strong this magnet was until I started using it. It will not come off. It is super strong, as you can tell right there. So basically this slips through like this, and then it goes over like that, and it's firmly in there. I'm pulling hard, and it is not coming apart. That magnet is excellent, and usually with the super cheap versions of these stainless steel bands, the magnet is the cheapest part, but this seems to be doing quite well, and time will tell. I've been wearing it, like I said, for a couple days, and we'll see how it does over a longer period of time. But RI Tech, you can't beat the price from Ross for $3.99, and this will work with those three sizes. They also have a smaller one that will work for the smaller sized Apple Watch. These are some of the descriptive parts and features of the wristband, but you'll see those in the description below. Please follow the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.